Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the LCD cover on your Dell Vostro 15. In this guide, we will go through the necessary tools and steps to complete this repair efficiently. Let's get started. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Plastic pry tool. 3. ESD strap, to prevent static damage. 4. Clean microfiber cloth. 5. Replacement LCD cover. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, ensure that your workspace is clean and free from clutter. Power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. If you have sensitive data, consider backing it up before starting the repair. Step 2. Removing the battery. Begin by flipping the laptop upside down. Locate the battery release latch and slide it to unlock. Gently remove the battery from its compartment. This prevents any accidental power-ups during the repair. Step 3. Unscrewing the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Make sure to take note of any different sizes. Step 4. Opening the laptop. Carefully use the plastic pry tool to separate the base from the upper casing. Start at one corner and work your way around gently to avoid breaking any clips. Take your time to ensure that you don't damage the casing. Step 5. Disconnecting the LCD. Once the casing is removed, locate the LCD connector. Gently disconnect it by lifting the connector from the motherboard. Be careful not to pull on the wires. If you encounter difficulty, check for any additional screws that may be holding it in place. Step 6. Removing the old LCD cover. Now, remove the screws holding the LCD cover. There may be several screws around the edges. Keep them organized as you remove each one. After all screws are removed, carefully lift the old LCD cover off the screen. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using your microfiber cloth. Step 7. Installing the new LCD cover. Position the new LCD cover over the screen. Align it with the screw holes and gently press it into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid cracking the new cover. Step 8. Reconnecting the LCD. Reconnect the LCD to the motherboard by carefully aligning the connector and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Double check to ensure a secure connection. Step 9. Closing the laptop. Reattach the base casing by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until you hear it snap into place. Replace all screws in the base to secure it. Step 10. Replacing the battery. Finally, reinsert the battery into its compartment and slide the latch back to lock it in place. Power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary. You'll receive a quote before any repair begins, allowing you to make an informed decision. Following these steps will help you successfully replace the LCD cover on your Dell Vostro 15. Always prioritize safety and take your time with each step for the best results. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.